Mona somo binime for me. Ikbiedo. Yoni buyango. Manave kweni mamu ne ma akpa. Ma remi. Why I pay bread price. Oho bie ha no biswen no. Uje pay bread price. Ja gwan we money. Ja mon no ja gwan ge money. Dunyi me no we no me. No ja ja itin. Bo ja money me. Eke no ko suppose no love yeji. Eke na ve queenie. Suppose ni an love yeji. A white bear spread in ma suppose ni ma love yeji. Bia wani huwe wagi love yejo. Oh ga weto one way cut your hair. I like you with a short hair. I like it with low cut. Why I no weto because oga weto no time oga jirege queen wa jinya ja tino ya doje bu ya polo jo wa ja je evil deposit of gas ya ze revive mina ya je bu owi ase e da gbe ya setting tagbe ni wa ja jinya ja tin ni aja revive mina. If you know say you be woman or man, you dey see yourself dey eat for dream, you dey see yourself for your village, just know say you never come Europe. You still dey your papa and mama. In short, you still dey fry garri, you still dey go farm. Wa ji aja jugbo ni re Nigeria eni ogi kwa go se Nire Nigeria, family man nire Nigeria. Ini ogi wa wosise. Ma think we ma rewebo oge no. Nya nire Nigeria rewebo. Because nya wa sick nya wa la yoko wa nya emi ni ya ari nya bu ede webo. Nya bu ede webo. All those monitoring spirits no ro wawe. Ni anaja we jatin. When the baby te so uviene. Etu evi ga tu awe no neru we a I beg you, tomorrow I pray. Iya, abazon kwe betama wewe. Wede de gboko akwo nine nene yourself ebe kwe wina because iya pack from Nigeria to your house in Webo. Abiya ni re Nigeria re Webo we. If you know say you dey Europe, na your family when dey Nigeria, na dey Europe, not be you. Now you they go farm for that Nigeria for spirit world. Now you they go farm for that Nigeria. That's why if they say me they bring something come for now. Mona no they take again. Because nya ja tin, nya ju wa ja tin no. No wa me nwe. Vie do wa me nwe. Abu gidigan hia ifefe wa hia vie. Wa hia vie. Eru averu wa ma du gbona. Averu wa no bio wa. O ma ya ma du gbona. No wa na hin ave ihwe. Ave ipiore na ave biani lawe bo ave shintro. Ave shintro boys ni lawe bo. Na asona tai. Asona awa do mi te awa tai. If not, e queen ye fefe ma ya mapa. Awo hembo ye fefe. Inya giri orue egboko. Orue ni egi nwina niya. No so we no do ori orue agwa. E laura ben wo orue egi nwina. We miamie. Orue nurie ne eni egi nwina. Hia yori. Umo kojo wa u pay bread price. Okpa wati ye me no de hama mo rima gbe koi. O we 13 years in down bokunye. E ma pay bread price na bivien vani e mata. E mi te me uta. E me don de fois vous noué. Nou gbe o. E huwe mwe. Okwo bie twins no pay bread price wa mo nu jagun. E noge uzuo. Noge wa dey because all set vasona. I finish in the life they call you with phone. Nothing could be. No know who they run, who they rule that beneath. A boy, a boy give to Adi Hue. wa gbele sagen wa gbele sagen wa gbele sagen wa gbele sagen bana wa gbele sagen bana eru wa biju wa unu sagen ogbele unu sagen ya gbele ne gbe mana okugwa wa amu mi lawe bo wa amu mi lawe bo wa amu mi lawe bo sister ona wa fian awa ma agan bibi wa na hin o wa mo egwe nu ni ajaja we jati we no na umaye ukmo we ya re ikobodu ujo wa ajukmo panu jajugbo nonsense all set na all set of phone ya work of ovotin ayikin ave ni ka o hiori ne ebo panya hiori ne waga juro ni gbogbo na ji ogwe ebo panya yi no jobo kan ebo panya yo gujiba egi wo gi aso igbele nya wa hun wa wulo waga is any ebonu wasike wa gujoba eba ni wa guji wa damwe wa yenge laura be ontai wa damwe wa boya ofuni abo gidigan hiori ne abo gidigan hiori ne
solo 6 minutos en tu mesa. Tan deliciosa y fina como la de tu pizzería favorita. La mía grande, nueva de Dr. Edgar. Oh no, 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 no. Yeah, you said so sorry for your time. So they can't bring me down low. Bad mind, oh. Let me one make a follow. Let me one bring me down. I'm on the way, no, my soul. See that they got that the plan want to steal in my crown.
On a invite. Invite, oh, if one no invite, I no talk again. Invite all the Benin men, invite them come. Mona invite. For now, no invite. I want to talk again. Mona share. Share video, like and follow my page. Everybody, good afternoon, good morning. Invite. If you don't invite, I no go talk. Good afternoon. Most of we talking. No be shout, no be quarrel. Because if Nyawe Kugabungbe Vame Arua Obege, I put music for my ear because I like the music, make it play for my ear. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, my people. Depends on where you are. It's me, your girl, Laura Ben. Once again, the Queen Mother. The mother of all. The Queen of Ezenugegbe. The Ohen of Ogba. The Ohe of Ogba. Igbaron Ogba. The family snake. Ovia Bokbanyai. Oviu Duhueme. A Queen Ezenugegbe. The only Queen Mother, the only woman that go to war and return with victory, the mother of all. Ohama mu worry magbe kwa. Avo gidigan. Avo gidigan. Wa feel a kongbe edo. Because my rowa. Abi? Eruwa vijuwa maduena. Eruwa vijuwa. Oma iya maduena. Ilele redo. I don't have tradition. Ikatamuwa, iwidenuwa. I first tell ona, who know they hear English, make it they hear. I first tell them, say I dey come for them. They need to apologize to me. They need to tell me sorry. If you know, say you be Benin man, this one, wa me ma. Our dirty clothes, we go wash them for outside today. Now today, we go wash our dirty clothes for outside. So now today I will tell on how much when they Nigeria till they fly. Till they come Europe. Now today we'll talk all. So if you know say you be which begin the call now because it don't set. Because the Queen Mother, the mother of all, don't wake up. She be the sleep before, but she don't wake up. Avo gidigan. Avian is your konoba. Avian is your binanoba. Yan ya hiori ne. Ebo ya hiori. Era me wizari. Era me no kwa wizari bi me. Ija wewe. Idemu dia wizari. Ebo panya yi wizari. Igba won gba wizari. Olokunru no ringbe o wizari. O weni hian. Nya weni hian wi an romo da nya romo yeke. Untouchable, unstoppable. Yihin. Ohama mu worry magbe ko wa. E Laura Ben ne queen mother. Tie omeme. Wa yagele ruao. Ovi demudia, ovi duhueme. Ovi bokbanyai. The only queen that go to one return with victory. The only great snake. The great snake. The great snake. Ohamamuwa. Ipiedo. Asobojegbe. Watie noge gume noge one of Deutschland watie lozuo. O meme. Oga meme. Ona meme. O mae we. Enika o nya wa hu nwa ge. Enika hu nwa ge. Noge nuke do. Naso no oge no do uri use oge naso no de oge no de ina agewe una begege Laura bengewe una di atiebo itama we no ge irovie from Victor nu hewe bo nu wa hewe bezo nu wa ge we saga goni se nu wa lako wa gu hon unda ge ijobo han we tinu abi kugbe kijobo hanwe obokpa ya ajuwa eva la wasona wa mwegbe because all set wasona wa akole Nigeria wa akole enoge one of Deutschland no tinwe wa atie because asona no wa mwegbe because me mwegbe ne. Hello guys, how are you guys doing? It's me, your girl Laura Ben. Mona go invite Enoge one of Deutschland come. Mona go invite them come. If not, I no go talk again. No, he never come. Mona tell him make he call me, make he call him. He with his wife. Make them call him. If not, now from here, where I sit down put, they go begin to see big snake for their house. May they not try me. May they not try me. Because the queen mother don't wake up. The who they fly from Nigeria never call her. Oh, they never see her. Ya tamu wa wetu we hiaruao. Wago geta ni tinove Nigeria yam kwa memio buwaja mio he the ebo hi apa sugba ya e gwamae ebo egiro tedo gwamae nu wana jave queen ya jatino no gi gwazu wa sevoni evieni vierunde kia una celebrate prize we oh damn no if you were for you are a disgrace to abo hebo if ye ya de gbe hongu ta ego hebo hin wa degbe video eze ya iwe video na ni wa call la we video na ya iwe video na ni ati da e dele no ba we asona asan ya ja gbo ni vi we ni disgrace we ni hunwe ekio ya na aja weja we caricature na aja weja we caricature Mona follow my page. Before I forget, next week Friday, I get special prayer for everybody for here. I will tell you what we need. Make I name am before I forget. Make I name wetin we need before I forget. We need olive oil. If you know you want to pray with me, get ready on Friday night. It's 12 o'clock in the midnight. 12 to 3 o'clock in the night. We need olive oil. We need sea salt. You will buy sea salt. If you don't know sea salt, go and look for it. In Spanish, they call it sal de mar. If you don't know it, ask people, ask questions. Then you buy baking salt. We need baking salt that day. We need coconut that day. What do we need? We need alligator pepper that day, that night. So if you want to pray with me, if you are ready to come out of that bondage, if you want to tell yourself that enough is enough, I am tired of being sick. I'm sick and tired of that problem. You come out and pray with me that day. Not be by force. Oh. If you know, say you never tired of Mutis and Wizard when they your village, no bother. No just bother. But if you know, say you don't tire to suffer. If you know, say you don't tire to suffer, get ready on Friday night. That coconut, if you know, say you do hair, you will lose your hair. Because that coconut, nice, now our hair, now one pour and put that night. Another thing when I dey talk, if you know, say you been with you, they come they disturb me. Not just bother to come. Because now every night I say they bust egg for my head. Why? Because on I don't want to make I wake up, but I don't wake up. On wama o ne nika ave nika o hiori inya hia hiori ne. Wama o ne ebo hia hiori ne. Ebo panya ewi nye hiori. No siko ebe Nigeria ogbewa. Make I suffer from here talk and make I dey remember small. I will be in Nigeria, in Uronigbe town. This December, ya do gbekaba. Iwe nu tamuwa. Ya aje Nigeria da gbekaba. If you know you are ready, mo go dance kaba. Get ready. Mo go dance. Mo go ni ma aje tradition ni ma atiti. Mo go use our tradition. Mo go tell the world say we be Benin when they rule. We be the queens when they rule. Mo go tell them say, avo him mahin. Ave queen mother mahin. Mo go tell them. So Naura, then we be in Nigeria live and direct this December. Wani ava zembo so uwa mana kwe igbelwa. No sike me gbewa. Egena. Gbewa no. Anybody no say kenije gbewa. No mercy. Wetin I talk. No mercy. If you know say You be Benin woman. Your husband marry you, you don't born 5. You never pay money for your head. Tell that man, say you want pack and go. He not value you. Because if they use you, they fly. As you still be queen, as you be queen, even though you are a queen in my yakin, all the old Benin girls and Benin women, a queen in my yakin. If though we're here, I'll be what you have a shentro, who are doing here, make ave guessing. Ave guessing, ma. Waga e dianjo wane, wa jinya jatino. Wa mugori de egbe kuwa. Wa je guessing ma jatino, ave queenie. Wa jinya tino. Even bright price self on no go pay. Muna go call a bright for me, make thunder fire and me idiot. A bright way. Well, we were ere single mother or born. A bright, a single mother or born. A minogia that means single mother. Who we are not a single father. Oh, how are you now? A bright. Oh, how are you? Oh, how we hina be a native daughter wooing. Abi? Abu one single mother in a dog bo. A worry. Ia no ever sooner, a fair bright. No matter. Ave live video presenter ya fefe no matter viazin. No matter viazin. E Frank Victor ya teveri ya veri hinvo, but eti eve mao. E Frank Victor. Eto ve mao, bet. On y ve bege. O ve bege. Atiti no ro. Nya wa Johnny Jagbe football. Atiti egwe because nya wa jawe avie biani huawe nya wa jawe Jagbe football. Nya fi we gidian. 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 Atiti egwe because uwe hiore ogiti gan we be hin uwe de no ma evo nu wa na ryuji me wa hia de no ma ege queen mother kin nu wa na ryuji me mo kon meet our sister when say na Nikao and Jesus Christ mixed together. What do they call you? But we Jore no bell. A shame and disgrace. Oh, gala we be Jore. A Nikao when it time I shame and disgrace. Oh, gala we be wa ovibo. Shame and disgrace in it. Oh, gala we be. It now wa. Enika when it time I we in your mind we uwazu okwa kekan ovigbo wa ja we pimpon oda ekeni we na kweje second wife ekwemu we na ekeni we na kweje second wife Ijore ekwemu we na we ma be egbe ma be okugwe we ma be emi no gbe hin so enika o ma de den we because a salt and water ministry no kie ulu salt and water wagilo Ijore ulu salt and water what say na do you know the differences between salt do me no lo Ijore ume na jakwe ume abi ideni tamawe because avivie do ni ruwa o ni lele here let me tell you guys because you all are blind. They say when the blind lead the blind, they all fall into a pit. They all fall into a pit. So if you salt and water ministry, mona come close. Mona consider. Which type of salt now they use? We get normal salt. We get sea salt. We get baking salt. Which type now they use? I know some people have been calling me. If I tell them get sea salt, they don't even know what it is. What is shame and the disgrace. I normal salt is always spiritual prayer. Nejorelo, Nuwanaruao, the more you look, the less you see. The more you look, the less you see. Nuwanaruao. Number 1. Aije no ma sort. Jawe spiritual prayer. Oma sunu. We no se me kaya gwe ome sunu. Nuwa aju me kekan ja hwe. Ni abe ne hwe mu. Ivie do gwa hiaruao. Ya luwa because why ma obe man no have a deceive wa the more you look the less you see no lonuwa obe man no have a deceive wa because uwa here uwa ruwa o. Number 1. Number 2, we don't have bathing salt. There are salt for you to take your bath. There are different type of salt for different reasons. You understand? I beg you, na olive oil boy ni ma wae when me no re na then it time gwa emi ne Laura ben ja we prayer na hina then it time gwa. Here you see olive oil, here you see sea salt, here you see ehiendo. There are different ehiendo ke luwe before you use alligator pepper to pray. Like I tell you now, you need to bury them. You bury them for 3 days or for 7 days. You bury them. When you bury them for 3 days or for 7 days, then as you bring them out, you start using it. And if you want open them, keep us. Se ha cortado. Es mi padre y espera. Mona weto, Aveguinha, guarda atira me. Agi heme nota. Okay, you're busy. Guarda atira baba. Wazegi, asona no. Odo ya le luwa. Ohama mwari magbe kuwa wa ya atira me. Wa bi ati oda for me ni mu je Facebook na wa mati oni. Eyam e number magibejo. Agi akole ma. Wa akole Nigeria because o set na. Asona atai. Mo hear wetin daddy want talk. He no go. Wati ene na ni metie wurigbe na omajo. I beg. May I try and once. If you don't pick, no problem. Toma, no me... No va. Está ocupado. Nago come up. Yeah. Nago call mapa. Mona quick. Na ye? Ona no go ona to Nigeria. Okay. They don't tell ona. Ya tam wanege. Ave kui moda hiorine. Ave enika okpagbe wa maina wa biye. Ibi do ya wa ya biye. Wa hioriban. Ave queen here Yoruba. Why worry? Asona atai. Atiku wa go atin. Ga atin nenu time. Mo fly together. I play music for now before I start again. I get audio time for now. For now to go come up when sit down you, I get all the time. Siam, mona siam, na energy drink I dey drink. Make I dey put am on and dey see and say no be alcohol. ¿Qué le pasa? Vale, pasa. Vete a comprar. Trae mi vino y ya está. Ne fue muy bien, ne fue muy su. Avec Golaya ya fefe no re dagbon o agbele hia. Golaya no re dagbon. Uga en gugu e Golaya no re dagbon me. Wa mu egbe because wa wu na. Ekwe aba zembo sonore Nigeria rije. Ogi banu suwa. No sike bopanya yi. Wa uguje ba. No sike gbagon. Leni tere uguje ba. Oru eni nu wa vione ni e bi mi wa yi. Iwe ni tamugwa no sike bopanya yi pe no jena uguje ba. Uga sike gbagon pe no wa jena a uguje ba. No joja asiko lokuro nigbe e ba ni uguji ogugwa tuagbe abo hihi ayora be bo hia fefefe no retedo abe bo hia fefefe no retedo yen hia mo bege black ni jona e blue na ori gbagun e black na oni owu ni mamu me teje black o teje black bet e black jala janugwa ogun do gbelu wa ya aba zen wo so ya be Nigeria ihun wa ya ni a flush wa